Hello guys, this is Mukul Sharma, and in this video I'm going to unbox a mechanical keyboard, Cosmic Byte mechanical keyboard. And this keyboard comes with two color options, black and white. I have chosen white color and I have ordered from official Cosmic Byte website. And in this video we will test sound quality of this keyboard. Please watch this video till the end. This is a Cosmic Byte keyboard, Artemis. You can read some details of this keyboard by pausing a video. So let's open this keyboard. So this thing comes with it. This is a cable, USB to Type C cable, which helps you to connect. This is a key puller and two keys. This is a user manual guide which comes with it, and these key come with it. This is a OTM switches, blue, and this is a key puller. Key can be removed by it. So quality is decent of these things. And finally, this is the keyboard. This is the final look of it. As you can see, switch to gold mode. This is a white color. This is an RGB keyboard. Build quality of this keyboard is good, really good. It is a heavy keyboard, doesn't look cheap, and keys quality is also good. So this is on off switch. You can on and off RGB lighting. And this is rubber padding. Let's check RGB lighting now. So this is a rainbow mode. I have switched off light. Let me change light. Here you go. Green color, yellow color. So you can adjust lighting according to you with the software. So you can download a software by Cosmic Byte official website. Let's check sound.